It is time for us to talk finances with my favorite financial planner, and that is Cindy of Cinergy Financial. Cindy, good morning to you.
Good morning, Brad. How are you?
I'm doing great, especially now that you're here to help me and educate me on insurance and how I can make sure I have the right insurance and right investment to take care of me down the line, which is so important.
Yeah, absolutely. Great question.
So, okay, we were talking before we came on. Medicare doesn't take care of long-term, of course, your medical needs. Am I right?
Absolutely. I mean, once people get to age 65, they file for Medicare. And let's say they have a stroke, they get dementia, and they need an extended care. A lot of Americans think Medicare pays it. And it's really unfortunate to think that because Medicare does pay the first 90 days, and that's skilled care. That means you need a doctor, you need a nurse, you might be in a facility, maybe you're at your home that you need extended care. But everything after skilled care, most people have to pay for their own costs, whether that's intermediate care or even custodial care.
Huh. I didn't realize that. So let me ask you this. 401k I have. Is there a way to invest that in the right way so that I have something to take care of me if I do get a stroke or a heart attack or something like that?
Good question. It can't be in a 401k, but people can buy, believe it or not, a life insurance policy today. And let me give you an example. Let's say the insurance policy would pay your family $200,000. There's policies that will let you, if you don't pass away and you get sick instead, you can use 2% of your death benefit, which 2% times 200,000 is $4,000 a month that you can get in long-term care for extended care, whether it's at your home or in a facility. So this is a way to save into a cash value policy, have a death benefit if you premature pass away, or if you need long-term care needs. Because once people get to retirement, the most important thing is ensuring your income. Because if you or your spouse get sick, I don't know what the costs are in your area, but it can range between $3,000 and $6,000 a month for extended care today.
Wow. And again, that is why your team is so important to help us maneuver through all these different things. I didn't think about insurance investing in that way. I never thought about that. I always thought about, doing it over here with the 401k in different ways. So you're saying there's a list of things that you can walk people through.
Absolutely. Because, you've worked your whole life to save this big nest egg. You don't want to go into retirement vulnerable. I mean, we insure our car, we insure our home, but have you taken the time to insure your retirement income that if you or your spouse gets sick suddenly, that you don't spend down all your assets?
Man. Cindy, this is why I like talking to you each week. It's great. And of course, people can talk to you because they can find you how?
There's two ways to get a hold of me. The 800 number on your screen, 888-210-8777, or go to my website, Cinergy Financial, starts with a C, Cinergy Financial. You can order my book, but give us a call because the first 5 callers, we are going to give you not only our free book, but the opportunity to sit down and talk to us for free about your situation and give you some free guidance.
There you go. Cindy, thank you for joining us each morning here to help us with our finances.
Thank you for having me today, Brad.